This was quite challenging because Mars is relatively bright, pretty much at the very limits of what Webb can see and try to resolve any features. So astronomers had to take extremely short exposures of Mars and then build up an image, adding all of that data together. Next, we have Jupiter. And this image came out just a couple of days after the full release of images and data came from JWST when it first started up back in July. We got hints of the raw image, and then astroimagers like Judy Schmidt came along and cleaned up the image and got some just amazing pictures of planet Jupiter. You can see the atmospheric bands across the planet. You can see the great red spot. You can see the haze above the north and south poles of Jupiter. In the case of infrared, the bright colors are the places where the warmer temperatures and the higher altitudes. And so that's why when you look, you can see the great red spot is one of the brightest objects in infrared on the surface of Jupiter. Next is Saturn. And this image just came out a couple of weeks ago from when we're recording this episode. The atmosphere of Saturn contains molecules that absorb infrared radiation. And so it looks very dim and murky in this infrared view. But the rings are quite reflective and quite bright seen infrared. And then you can also see a bunch of the moons orbiting around Saturn.